Hello everyone. Welcome to Home English Network. I'm very happy that you are here today. If you want to speak English confidently, this lesson is perfect for you. Many English learners believe they cannot speak English because they do not know enough grammar or vocabulary. But that is not the biggest problem. The biggest problem is that they think in their native language first and then translate every sentence into English. This takes too much time and makes speaking difficult. Today, we are going to train our brain to think in English. Don't worry if you know only a few English words. We will use easy and simple sentences. The more you practice, the faster your brain will become. Remember, speaking English is a skill. Just like riding a bicycle or learning to swim, you become better with practice. Now, sit comfortably, relax, and repeat every sentence after me. Speak loudly and clearly. If possible, pause the video after each sentence and say it again. Let's begin. First, think about yourself. You know yourself better than anyone else, so it is the easiest topic to practice. Repeat after me. Hello, everyone. My name is Alex. My name is Sarah. My name is John. Now say your own name. My name is blank. Very good. Now let's continue. I am happy. I am excited. I am calm. I am learning English. I enjoy learning English. I practice English every day. I want to speak English fluently. I can improve my English. I believe in myself. I am getting better every day. Excellent. Now let's make these sentences a little longer. My name is Sarah, and I am learning English. I study English because I want to travel. I study English because I want a better job. I study English because I want to talk to people from different countries. English is important for my future. Learning English is fun. I enjoy practicing every day. Wonderful. Now let's talk about your feelings. Repeat after me. I feel great today. I feel happy. I feel relaxed. I feel confident. I feel excited to learn something new. Sometimes I make mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help me learn. Every mistake makes me stronger. I never give up. I keep practicing. I keep improving. Excellent work. Now let's practice thinking in English without translating. Imagine you just woke up this morning. Say these sentences. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I am ready for a new day. I feel fresh. I feel energetic. I will do my best today. I will practice English today. I will learn new words. I will speak English with confidence. Fantastic. Now imagine you are looking into a mirror. Describe yourself. I have 2 eyes. I have black hair. I have a smile. I am wearing a shirt. I am wearing comfortable clothes. I am ready to study. Very good. Now let's practice positive thinking. Repeat after me. I can do this. English is becoming easier. Every day I improve. Every lesson helps me. Every sentence makes me stronger. I am proud of myself. I enjoy learning. I love practicing English. Excellent. Now answer simple questions. Listen carefully. What is your name? Answer. My name is blank. How are you today? I am fine. I am happy. I am great. Where are you now? I am at home. I am in my room. I am in my office. What are you doing? I am learning English. I am practicing speaking. I am listening carefully. Very nice. Now let's practice short conversations. Question. Hello. How are you? Answer. I am fine. Thank you. How are you? Question. What is your name? Answer. My name is blank. Question. Do you like English? Answer. Yes, I do. Question. Why are you learning English? Answer. Because I want to speak confidently. Great job. Now close your eyes for a moment. Imagine, you are talking to a friend in English. Don't think in your native language. Think only in English. You wake up. You smile. You say, good morning. You drink water. You make breakfast. You eat breakfast. You study English. You feel happy. Everything happens in English inside your mind. This is how your brain becomes faster. Remember, you do not need difficult words. Simple English is powerful. If you can speak simple English every day, your confidence will grow. After some time, you will naturally begin using longer sentences. Before we finish this lesson, let's repeat some powerful affirmations together. I can speak English. I am confident. I practice every day. I am improving every day. I enjoy learning English. English is easy for me. I believe in myself. I never stop learning. I will become fluent. I will speak English confidently. Amazing. You did a wonderful job today. Keep practicing these sentences every day. Even 5 or 10 minutes of daily practice can make a big difference. Remember, don't translate. Think in English, speak in English, and enjoy the learning process. Thank you for watching this lesson on Home English Network. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and happy learning.